Melanie, you want to join us? The bubble with us.
We can make some.
Hey, you want to join them?
You know you want to, Kendra.
Let's get naked! I had to go pee.
Ew. Look at the bubbles, they all go down.
You calling us? Oh, I got bubble pits.
Oh, they look stronger. Oh my god.
Make my muscles jiggle. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Do your song. Here, Kendra enjoyed playing with this.
Oh my god, no! I get the dinosaur.
Get the frog.
Oh, what's up? Oh, what?
Look,
I get the jet ski.
here's more parts.
Look.
Put it all in
I
there and
get
try
the
to
jet
find it.
Submarine. Uh-oh, he's flipping over, guys. Now he's up on. Jet ski. He had a tragic accident.
I'm a rain.
I'm going for him.
I'm a rain. I'm gonna rain the giraffe. Whoa! Where'd it go?
Got the bubbles. Okay, about time to jump in the pool.
We need to like make a window we can escape out of.
We need to like pull this plug and start washing out the
I feel like
bubbles.
I'm taking a bath.
This is shampoo and conditioner. We're gonna be silky smooth.
You smell good.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Alright.
Me
You
too.
do that.
Don't look, I'm naked.
This is Trent and Dakota.
Give me a hug!
Oh.
Give me a hug!
Don't treat you already in the pool.
Good job, Trent. You're my brother. I think.
Ew, look at that. Now that's hair. I think that's your hair.
That was gross. Okay.
Time for the pool. I'll clean it up later.
Yeah, we'll clean it later.
I gotta go see this.
We're gonna go video camp.
Go jump.
I'm gonna slip.
You know I crashed your daddy's car. Ow! I hit the bottom of the pool.
Me too. I hit my. I broke my elbow. Alright, y'all can shut those off now.